this video, I'm gonna go over this cordless leaf blower from the company ALDIPRO. Here's the box I got mine in right here. It's 20-volt lithium-ion battery compatible. Mine goes for a Dewalt battery. You do not get a battery with this. 20-volt max, 200 mile-per-hour wind speed, 700 CFM, which I think is cubic feet per minute of air volume, as that's basically the air volume that's coming out. So the no load speed is 20,000 RPMs. The weight of the tool is 4 pounds. It's a very light weight tool without the battery, but you can see the battery that I have. And I've tried different batteries in this thing. The battery that I use the most is the Dewalt FlexVolt. This is the 20 volt and 60 volt, so it can go back and forth. And it's the 9 amp hour. You need a lot of power when you're using one of these blowers. It will work with just a 2 amp hour, by the way. I don't see any issues with it working with that. See the look of it. There's a hanger. What I do, I hang mine up in the shed. There's a little hanger. I just pretty much put it on a little nail and it hangs up in there. It's very light. Like this, it weighs like nothing. But you put a battery on there, obviously. The battery almost counteracts the weight. The handle's nice and gnarled handle, has a good feel right there. It feels really good in the hand. There's a 0, 1, and a 2 speed. The suction's in the back. This can all come apart. When I got it together, you do have to snap this piece in and snap that piece in. And then to put the battery in, I put a little logo back there, Dewalt, so I'll remember, just like that. There's 0, 1, I think's like, you know, it feels okay. I don't know why I'd use 1. Maybe if I was blowing something that I don't want to like blow a lot. 2 seems to have a good amount of power. I don't see any problems with this blower at all. I was blowing around. Usually what I use it for the most is after I get done mowing, I'll blow all the grass clippings around and kind of blow things out. But look at that. I can really feel that wind blowing out of there. This is like just as good, if not better, than a Dewalt style tool. I highly recommend partner it with a Dewalt battery. Do not use the knockoff battery, because this is where all your power comes from. The motor and these things are just fine. I don't see any problems with this little kind of blower at all, but I definitely want to have a good quality battery when I'm pushing out of this thing. Yeah, everybody, I recommend this ALDIPRO leaf blower. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I think it's going to be a great kind of blower for all around. You know, whether you're blowing snow, grass clippings, leaves, or just kind of like blowing off your porch or something like that. There it is. That's all I got on the ALDIPRO leaf blower. See you on the next video.